standing here today at this 29th annual memorial vigil, which is a really significant and solemn moment when we come to honor four brave men who gave everything in the name of justice and freedom. Carlos Costa, Armando Alejandre Jr., Mario de la Peña, and Pablo Morales. 29 years ago, February 24th, 1996, the world witnessed an atrocious act, an egregious violation of international law, an attack not just on these men, but on the ideals they stood for. Now, we cannot rewrite history, but we can ensure their sacrifice is not forgotten. We can remember, we can recognize the injustice, and we can continue the fight for freedom they so courageously defended. Now, although I was not in Miami at that time, I have come to deeply understand the FIU College of Law's commitment to justice and human rights, and our connection to Brothers to the Rescue and Camp for Justice. It is not just symbolic, it is a living legacy, and it ensures that the fight for justice does not end with remembrance, but continues with education, advocacy, and action. And every time I walk through the halls of FIU Law, I'm reminded of this legacy. In our Camp for Justice courtroom, we do not just teach law, we honor the courage of those who stood against tyranny. And through the Camp for Justice Scholarship and the Carlos Costa Immigration and Human Rights Clinic, we empower the next generation to take up the cause of human rights and global justice. This commitment to freedom, it is not just our history, it is our present, and it is our future. Cuba's story is in FIU's DNA and in the DNA of the College of Law. We have hosted numerous events that amplify the voices of resistance and hope. If you stand in our entry hall, I notice our building is called the Rafael Diaz Balart Building. If you stand in the entry hall, you will see two very impressive paintings, bold and unyielding, and they reflect the voices of a people who have been silenced for nearly 7 decades. These works, they aren't just art, they are a call to action, a reminder of freedoms we must never take for granted. At its core, the Brothers to the Rescue was a demand for liberty, a demand for justice, and a demand that oppression must never go unchallenged. Today, as we honor Messrs. Costa, Alejandre, de la Peña, and Morales, not just with words, but with our commitment to keep their mission alive, their courage must continue to inspire us, not just today, but every day. So thank you. Thank you again. Thank you for your presence, your support, and your dedication to justice.
Thank you.